In this exercise, you're going to play twice the same piece. The first one, the right hand will play the melody. In the second one, the left hand will play the melody. Remember that the melody should be played a little louder. You will have 4 counts in each measure, 4 times signature. Mezzo forte. Pay attention to all the slur marks that tells you to play legato. Also to the sharp signs on F. You just learned the D major chord, so you're going to be playing D major chord. In this exercise, you will be practicing the D 5-finger scale. On the third measure of the first exercise, your left hand will cross over and play treble clef B with finger 2. So your left hand will cross over right hand to play with finger 2 on B. And then you continue playing A with finger 5 right hand. On the second exercise, on the third measure, also you will cross over, but this time it's going to be left hand only. Finger 2 will cross over finger 1 to play on B. Pay attention to the counting. Write your counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and especially because you have 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and also give the full value to the half notes, quarter notes, and remember counting with a steady beat. For the first part of the piece, the 2 first lines, the right hand is going to play the melody and the left hand will play the accompaniment. It says mezzo forte through the whole piece, but remember to bring the melody louder. So left hand can play a little softer. You have 4 counts. Remember to start playing first with hands separate. I will play the first 2 measures with right hand, then left hand, then hands together, but then you play the whole piece hands separate first. Finger 5 right hand is on A, and then we're going to play A and F sharp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and left hand has a D chord. D, F sharp and A. You just learn the D chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and together 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and remember, play the left hand a little softer. Pay attention on the third measure that your left hand finger 2 will cross over to play on B here. Let's play and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and cross. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Repeat. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cross. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Remember to play legato, connected in those notes that have slur. The next exercise is going to be the same thing, but now the melody will be on the left hand. On measure 3, your finger 2 left hand will cross over finger 1 to play on B. You start with finger 1 on A, and in measure 3, finger 2 will cross and play B, and then finger 1 plays A, and finger 2 goes and play G. writing the counts and play steady.